Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a DIY video. So I wanted a centerpiece for my coffee table, but I didn't want to buy anything. So I used that old mirror, turned it into a tray, and used some old Bath and Body Works empty candle jars to put on top. So if you want to see how I got this Glam centerpiece, just keep on watching.
Go ahead, Daddy.
It's a Queen's thing, baby.
I'm gonna dance with you.
Trap master.
Everything I use for this cheap and easy project is pictured right here. I've gotten everything from Walmart except for the candle jars and the old mirror that is not pictured. I will be sure to list everything in the description box. So the first thing I'm doing is bedazzling the empty candle jars. I am using clear Gorilla Glue. You want to make sure the Gorilla Glue is clear and not white because the white foams up. And this one dries clear. So I am putting that all inside of the candle jar, and then I'm going to spread it out evenly best as I can. And the next thing you see me do is dump the glitter inside of the jar. The glitter will stick to the glue, so you can use any color glitter you would like. You can use multi-color glitter or just a different color glitter altogether. You want to repeat this step for all candle jars that you will be blinging out. Sorry I didn't film this one, but after I completed the glitter step, I took the bling on a roll, used the hot glue gun, and glued it around the rim of this vase. So now I'm just going to flip the vase over and repeat the glue and glitter method on the bottom of the vase. So now on to the tray. This is the mirror that I decided to turn it into a tray. So to turn it into a tray, I created feet for it using Jenga blocks. I guess that's why I'm going to call it feet. But what I did was glue 4 Jenga blocks on each corner. I'm sorry it's already done, but I'm going to explain it to you because it's really simple. Each Jenga block I spray painted gray, and then I wrapped it in the glitter tape and glued it down with a hot glue gun. Quite simple, except you gotta let the gray spray paint dry. And also, don't use Jenga blocks. I just have these around the house not being used, but the Dollar Tree got the wood tumbling game, the off-brand, for $1. So you can get these cheap blocks for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So you can see how old this mirror is, like tore up. So that's why I wanted to use it or get rid of it. So for the last step, and I am done, I decided to hot glue gemstones on the feet. So that is it for this DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is an easy way to get rid of clutter in your home by repurposing it. So let me know what you think in the comments. And again, hit that subscribe button before you leave today. Thank you guys for watching. Until my next video, bye.
Go ahead, Daddy.
It's a Queen's thing, baby.
I'm gonna dance with you.